quite well. That one's got a bit of a chunk out of his back. There he goes. They're all around us. Dolphins and pilot lights. They're coming down the whales. I don't think they made us any harm, but they're coming very close to the boat and passing underneath and around the stern.